Hi everyone, in this Framer tutorial, we're gonna look into an awesome 3D icon flip animation. As I scroll down to view the content, you can see left and right halves of the sections icon form the whole thing with a great 3D flip animation, and as they are stacked on top of each other on both sides, we have a great continuity thanks to the halves taking their places while scrolling down. You can find the remix link in the description, so let's get started. Let's first examine the icons wrapper component. As you see in its component canvas, we have 5 variants for it. Default one having none of the complete icons visible, and each of other variants have one of the icons visible, matching the content card in the view. The reason I started naming the variants with variant 0 is keeping the naming synced with the active icon, as we need icon 1 to be active for the first section, 2 for the second one, and so on. You can see in the first variant, only icon 1 has its variant set to active, other ones have their default variants selected. Actually, let's quickly check the icon component. You can see in its default variant, we have icon split into 2 inside of left and right frames, and you can see under transforms in the properties panel, we have right frame set its Y rotation to 130 degrees and left frame has it set to minus 130 degrees. And as you guess, in the active variant, we remove the rotations for the icon halves to form the whole thing with a great 3D rotation. And of course, each half of the icon is set to the same icon variable, as you see, to comfortably change the icon with a single variable in the upper level component. Let's go back to icons wrapper screen. As I said, we just changed the active icon in each variant to match the content card. Let's go back to home screen. You can see icons wrapper as a sticky position to stay on the screen as we scroll, and we match its variant to the card in the view with scroll variant effect. You can see each card has a scroll section assigned, first cards being 1, second cards being 2, etc. And when we check scroll variant effect, we can see section 1 or the first card is in the view. We switch the components to its variant 1, and we do that for every section, which makes our content card to have its icon being active in the background. And for a nice outro, we have a placeholder card as the last one, which triggers icon wrapper to go to its first variant, which has none of the icons visible, and that makes the last icon to exit the screen with a nice reverse flip animation. Of course, our card component has its title and text assigned to variables to again comfortably change. And with all that, we are able to create this perfectly working animation integrated into the scroll interaction, showing the current card's icon as we scroll with the great animation we create with the transforms we set using the icon component variants. And that's a wrap. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe, turn the notifications on, check my other tutorials, and see you in the next one.